In this quick video, we're going to show you how to seamlessly push content from nDash into your HubSpot account. Let's take a look. You can set up your integration on the Group Settings page. Click on the HubSpot logo and sign into your account. From there, grant nDash permissions, and you're ready to go. If you have multiple blogs on HubSpot, you can select the appropriate one using the drop-down. And if you're a HubSpot agency, you can set up integrations for all of your clients within each group on nDash. Now, let's head on over to the Assignments tab. Once an assignment is completed and paid for, just click on the Push to HubSpot button, and the next time you log into HubSpot, you'll see your content saved in draft mode, perfectly formatted, images and all. If you have questions, head on over to our Help Center or give us a shout. Thanks for watching.